Today I am making delicious Achari chicken at home. Grind fennel seeds, Fenugreek seeds, Kalonji, coriander seeds, cumin, red chili, turmeric, and salt. In a bowl, add yogurt, ground spices, ready Achari masala, and ginger garlic paste. Mix well and add chicken. Marinate. Grind the onions. Heat oil in a pan and cook the onions until golden brown. Grind the tomatoes and add them to the cooked onions. Cook until oil separates. Add the marinated chicken, mix well, cover. And cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the lid and cook on high flame until water dries and oil separates. Add green chilies and fresh coriander. Cover and cook for 2 minutes. Delicious Achar chicken is ready. Serve it hot with naan. This spicy Achar chicken tastes amazing. If you like this recipe, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.